When you walk into this place, there are 3 rooms on the main floor, a living room, a dining room, and then in the back is a kitchen and a small bathroom. And then upstairs, you have 2 bedrooms. So very long and skinny, but it's not terrible. The foundation doesn't look terrible. It's not like aggressively leaning on the neighboring house or anything, so that's good.
Okay.
And even though it was $100,000, it's only 1,100 square feet. So we can't go crazy with the renovation because even in a hot area like Fountain Square, buyers won't spend big money on a small house.
So, this is the little guy.
This house cost $100,000. Are you crazy?
I think it has a little bit of charm already.
Yeah.
The posts are kind of puny, so maybe doing something a little more detailed with the porch. But the shape is cute, I think.
Mm-hmm. The yard's in pretty good shape.
Concrete porch isn't cracked.
Yeah. I
Not
give
too
it all
upset about
that.
that.
I give it all that.
It's got a bit of an odor.
Yeah.
It's a pretty standard floor plan.
Mm-hmm.
Room, kitchen. Got a chimney here that's not really functional. But yeah, not the worst, right?
No.
So this is what would right now be the dining room. Just a coat closet, and the stairs go up. I think the trickiest thing between these 2 rooms is once we go upstairs, you'll see that it makes sense to leave the stairs where they are, which is gonna make opening up these walls tricky. Our usual MO is the kitchen that's back here to pull up to here.
Yeah.
And I'd like to be able to see some of it. At least open that up.
Yeah. And you're not going to be able to have a dining room.
No.
I'm already so concerned about this place. It's miniature.
I know, it's gonna be a very specific buyer, I think, that this works for.
Yeah. I mean, a single person or a couple with no kids.
I mean, if we can get your kitchen L'd around here, you'd kind of have an eat-in, so like
yeah.
a table in the center, but it's definitely gonna be tight. There's only enough room here for a 10 by 10 kitchen, so we'll have to get creative with an eat-in. There's also another problem. We'd have to close off this bathroom, which is the only one currently in the house. Not the worst, but I think if we take this bathroom and everything else that's back here and make it a master, and instead of having a back door, maybe have a side door where this window is.
Yeah.
So like bedroom, bathroom, closet. I mean, we wouldn't have this back door anymore if we made this a master, but we could have that side door come around, just do like a cute little deck off here. I mean, it's cute back here. It's kind of like miniature.
Yeah.
The garage is like a little toy.
Uh-huh.
So just make it cutesy. So the house, small, but there's still plenty of work to do. We need new siding and new paint on the exterior, and I think we should move the kitchen up to where the dining room is and convert the back of the house into a first floor master suite. Then upstairs, we reconfigure the space to add a second bathroom. So it was 100,000.
Yeah.
The biggest problem with this house is not dumping too much money into it for its size. But I think if we can stay under 100 on the renovation,
Yeah.
I think we could sell in like the mid 200 range with,
Really? That's all?
well, it's about the same square footage. We're just kind of squeezing another bedroom in.
Yeah.
So maybe a bit over 250. I mean, I would aim for 265, but wouldn't be surprised if we sell it in the 250 range.
Gotcha.
So first floor, bring the kitchen up. We're gonna put it in that middle space where the dining was, and then master on the back of the house, and close off the access from that bathroom and kind of reconfigure it.
It would be nice if we could have a half bath on the main floor.
Always, but I'm just not sure. We've got like the laundry closet here, coat closet there. I mean, and this is super skinny. I don't think that's gonna work, and I don't know where else we'd put it.
Okay.
And then upstairs doesn't change much. It's a room on the front, room on the back. We're just gonna steal from the back bedroom to get a full bath up there for those 2.
Okay.
The staircase is grandfathered in, so
It's gonna stay really narrow.
it's a little steep and it's a little narrow, but it's such a small house, there's not room really to reconfigure it.
Right, be a problem.
Yeah.
I gotcha.
So now we'll have 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, which is a lot in this like snug little nugget house.
And I know Josh said he wanted to put some shiplap in here.
Like just a little bit, like maybe the accent wall when you walk in.
Yeah, I think that'd be nice.
Okay.
I like it.
There we go. I got it. We've got flooring going in at our Fletcher house. and we found this weathered gray floor on sale, and it's perfect for adding another layer kind of to that farmhouse style. Plus, it was easy on the budget.
Beautiful.
And now that the floorings are in, Mom and I are helping Josh install the tiniest sink ever into the tiniest bathroom ever.
Okay.
Sit it up here, kind of dry fit this and see what this looks like.
Plumbing goes this way.
This way.
Oh, this way. All right.
It's heavy, right?
It is heavy. I feel like maybe a fiberglass one would have been a good idea.
Yeah.
Even though I'm still kind of annoyed about the whole shiplap thing, Josh did find a way to add a half bath downstairs, which does add value to the house.
Oh, yeah.
That's beautiful. And it has the most minuscule sink I think I have ever seen.
Little things are cute, like little babies and little liquor bottles and little, you know, Mom's got the toilet.
Let's see if I can get in there without breaking the toilet.
I mean, when you put the toilet in there, it actually looks rather roomy.
Right?
I can wash my hands from the toilet if I try.
But it's plenty for a little half.
This is fantastic.
It's 2.5 now bath. And the half bath does add to the sales price because people like having that half bath that you maybe only have to clean like once a month because no one really uses it except guests. Like your bathroom can be messy. You don't have to send anyone in there in your private business. So all that can be weird.
Do you want to just shut the door and let me have some quiet time?
We'll see you later.
Bye.
It's gone from wet to freezing cold and snow here in Indiana, so luckily Mom and the boys are helping Josh inside the house today.
Hey, come back here. I'll show you this kind of track and where these are gonna go.
Okay.
We're incorporating another layer of the farmhouse style by adding 2 sliding barn doors in the master suite.
We're gonna have a door for the closet and a door for the bathroom.
And they're gonna go on one track.
It'll be
Continuous
2 tracks,
track.
but it'll be continuous.
Continuous.
That way we'll put stoppers on and they'll both open without hitting each other. And it'll look just nice and uniform.
Yes. Apparently Josh got this idea because he saw these really great barn doors in a really expensive store where they're $1,500 a door or something ridiculous like that.
And we can make them for much less.
We've seen these doors in fancy schmancy stores. Did you see how that rhymed?
Fancy schmancy stores.
Let's see if we can keep going with that. And they're very pricey, which for us is a little dicey. I mean, these boards, these 1x6, this is nice.
I was trying to think of one, but I had none.
But these are like $6. And we're gonna get 2 pieces out of each of these. So we need 7 of these. 7 times 6 is
42.
Yeah.
So that's $42 of wood for one door.
Yeah.
Josh, how much did the metal cost?
$50 per door.
$50.
So
So
each-
42 and 50 is $92
Wow.
per door.
The first thing we need to do is cut the wood into 31.5-inch lengths. Next thing we're gonna do is drill holes in the angle iron.
Look at that, like butter.
Next, we're gonna screw it all together.
Oh, beautiful. Now I would do that one next. We're gonna slide the rest of these guys in.
Slide it in.
Okay. I think we should screw some.
After all the planks are attached to the frame, we attach a door handle and wheels so it can slide on the track.
There we go. The final turn.
All right, so let's see how this hangs. Let's see if I gave you the right measurements.
Uh-oh. I can
looks
tell already
tall.
something's wrong.
Yeah.
Nope.
Look at those wheels hang on top of the track.
Go ahead, see what you can do.
Here we go.
See what we got. It's an optical illusion. Oh, look at that!
It is.
It's like you know how to operate a tape measure.
Good job, team.
Looks good, guys. Good job.
So, of course, it's snowing for our open house at Fletcher.
But it might actually work in our favor because it might make it feel so warm and cozy inside.
True.
Oh, well, hello.
Hi! Oh, this is amazing.
Oh, wow, this is not what I was expecting. Oh, I really like it.
I love the high ceilings.
The high ceilings make a big difference. If these were 8-foot ceilings, the whole place would feel like a cave.
Yeah. We're gonna head back towards the kitchen, but we're gonna make a little pit stop on the way first.
We have something fun to show you.
Okay.
Oh my gosh!
I I was very dubious we
precious.
could fit it because this
Yeah.
was a coat closet.
This baby sink,
know.
everyone should have it.
It's so cute, right?
So cute. It's precious.
So, kitchen.
Beautiful. I love the industrial little notes and a lot of black accents, and that faucet is everything. I'm all about that.
And the kitchen actually, in these old houses, was always on the back.
Yeah.
And there was an exit out the back. So we pulled it up to the front here.
Perfect.
And changed one of the windows to a side door. So
perfect.
we could get a bedroom on the back on the first
Oh
floor
my
there.
gosh, there's so much
Clever
room.
idea.
You can't, it's hard to imagine that there's all this room here.
It's surprising,
It is
isn't it?
surprising.
It's a little nugget, and we packed it full.
We should go to the master bedroom.
Head back that way.
Okay. So this is your master.
Oh, wow, I really like this. You've done so much with the space. Oh, wow, look at this.
You like that?
Oh, I love this.
You've got closet space over here. There's an ensuite bathroom right behind you. So although it is cozy, it's very functional.
Absolutely.
There's even more upstairs. So do you guys want to head up there?
Yes.
Okay, come on.
Great. Oh, it's darling in here, you guys.
The smallest of the 3 bedrooms back here we've set up as office lounge.
Oh,
Oh
that
my
is.
gosh, or nursery if somebody
Yes,
would
exactly.
need a nursery.
Grandbaby room.
That's what I'm thinking.
You know.
Yes.
This is another one of Mom's brown children.
Where did you find that?
Here.
Here.
It looked awful. The bottom of it was all broken up. It had been wet and cracked.
It was on its deathbed, and you
It was.
brought it back
It
to
was
life.
100% on
Definitely
its deathbed.
So cool.